So in last video, what we studied about algebraic expression. Before that, variable and constant, and definition of polynomial and types of polynomial based on number of terms we studied, which was monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay, so this is the category. The type is based on the number of terms. Now B part is what coming based on the degree. Now what is the meaning of degree? Degree means highest power of variable. So if I am writing here B part, okay, types of polynomial, B part, what coming now based on degree, based on degree. Okay, degree means what? Highest power, and of course power means I'm talking about power of variable. Okay, so in that first type is what coming? First type is coming linear polynomial. First type is what coming? Linear polynomial. So linear polynomial means what? A polynomial whose degree is 1. Linear polynomial means what? I can say a polynomial whose degree is what? 1. Degree is 1 means what? I can say highest power is 1. So for that general form, if I am writing, or I can say the syntax general form, so what it is, p of x is equal to ax plus b, where a cannot be 0, and of course a and b should belongs to real number. Okay, this symbol how you will read belongs to, you will study in the set theory in 11th grade. So p of x is equal to ax plus b, where a cannot be 0. Now see why this condition they are writing a cannot be 0, because we talking about linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means power of variable should be 1. That means x term should be there. Now what is x term coefficient here? A. So just imagine if I am putting a equal to 0, this term will only get cancelled. So just you will get p of x equal to b, which is constant polynomial. But we are not talking about constant polynomial, we talking about linear polynomial. So for polynomial to be linear, coefficient of x means a should not be 0. Except 0, it can be any real number. Okay, what about b? B can be 0. Okay, b there is no any rule. But for polynomial to be linear, a cannot be 0. This is one thing you have to keep in mind. Now let me write some example. See, if I am writing p of x is equal to, if I am writing p of x is equal to say phi x plus 2. So this is called linear polynomial. Yes. So if I am comparing these with standard form, what is a phi and what is b 2? Both are positive. Okay, one more example. If I am writing p of y is equal to 2y, this I can say linear polynomial. Yes. What is a? 2, and what is b? The constant term is not given. The 2y I can write it 2y plus 0. That means b will be what here? 0. So what we can understand from this example, a cannot be 0, however b can be 0. Let me write one more example. A of x. Okay, the a of x is equal to, for example, I am writing 2x by 3 minus under root 3. This is linear polynomial. Yes. How to check whether it is linear polynomial? Just you will see the power of variable. What is variable here? X, whose power is 1. Yes, it is called linear polynomial. Okay, so for polynomial to be linear, it is not mandatory that two terms should be there. Okay, you can see the first example, it was 5x plus 2. Second example, I just wrote 2y, but still this is linear polynomial because degree is what? 1. And ab can be any real number. Just make sure that a is not 0. And why a is not 0? Because I want a linear polynomial, means x should stay. If you're putting a equal to 0, x only will go. So there is no point of discussing linear polynomial. So now see this example number 3. If I am comparing this with standard form, what is a? 2 by 3, and what is b? Minus root 3. That is fine, because a, b should belongs to what? A real number. Okay, This was a type 1 linear polynomial based on degree. Now based on degree type 2, number 2, which is what coming quadratic polynomial. In this chapter we will study very deeply about quadratic polynomial, but however these all types also we should know. The next one is what coming quadratic polynomial. Okay, the quadratic polynomial we can understand from the name. Okay, a polynomial whose degree is what 2. Okay, quadratic polynomial means what I can say, a polynomial whose degree will be 2 is called what a quadratic polynomial. So let me write that thing first. A polynomial whose degree is 2. What is the general form of quadratic polynomial? Or I can write syntax. Okay, general form or syntax, same thing. So name of polynomial, say for example p of x. So p of x is equal to what you write, ax square plus bx plus c. Now listen, I want this to be quadratic, means x square term should stay. So what I cannot keep, a I should not keep 0, because if I'm keeping a equal to 0, this term will become invisible. You will just get bx plus c, which will become linear polynomial. Okay, so if I want a polynomial to be quadratic, what I should do, a cannot be 0, however a, b and c, these all three belongs to what, a real number. Okay, let me write example. Okay, so again I am telling, for quadratic polynomial it is not obvious that it should be 3 terms. What is the obvious thing? Highest power should be 2, because a polynomial whose degree is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. So example number 1, if I am writing p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4, these I can say quadratic polynomial. Yes. Okay, now we are studying polynomial in single variable. Okay, so you can see here x power is 2, here x power is 1, the highest power is 2, that means the degree is 2. Degree means highest power. Okay, so it is called quadratic polynomial. If I am comparing this with standard form, what is a for apple? No, here a is what, 2. Okay, here a is what given, 2, b is what, minus 3, and c is what given, 4. One more example, you see, p of x is equal to, I am writing 3x square minus 17 by 2. These I can say quadratic, of course yes, because the degree is 2. So what is here, if I am comparing with standard form, a will be 3, x term is missing, so b will be 0, and what about the constant term, you will write minus 17 over 2. Okay, third one, let me write one more example. P of x is equal to, I am writing, say for example 5 by 2x square minus root 7x. These I can say quadratic polynomial, of course yes, because the degree is what here, again 2. What is a? A will be 5 over 2. What is b? Minus root 7. And what is c? 0. Okay, why all these examples I am writing? Because generally what student getting confused, that quadratic polynomial means the 3 terms should be there. It's not like this. These I just wrote a standard form. Maximum 3 terms will be there, x square term, x term and constant term. Okay, but for polynomial to be quadratic, having 3 terms is not mandatory. A degree 2 is mandatory. Okay, let me write one more example. Number 4, p of x. So p of x is equal to, if I'm just writing 2x square, this is a quadratic polynomial, of course yes. Okay, if I'm comparing this with standard form, a will be 2, b and c both are what, 0 only, because x term is not there, constant term is also not there. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And if I'm asking based on the number of term, this example 1 is called what, a trinomial, right? Just I'm asking based on the number of term. If I'm asking this polynomial of which type, so you will tell trinomial, because 3 terms are there. Okay, example 2 is which type of polynomial, so what you will tell, binomial, because 2 terms are there. Example 3 is again what we will say, two terms are there. So again this is what, binomial. And example 4, only 2x square is written, only one term is there. So based on the number of term, what is the type of polynomial? Monomial. Okay, the mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3. Okay, that already we studied in the category based on number of terms. Okay, so based on the degree, how many types we studied so far? Linear polynomial, second one is a quadratic polynomial. Now third one is what coming? Cubic polynomial. Third one is what coming now? Cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial means what? From the name only we can understand, a polynomial whose degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. Okay, a polynomial whose degree is 3 means maximum power is 3 is called what? A cubic polynomial. And for this syntax, if I'm writing, what we can say, p of x is equal to what we can write, a x cube plus bx square, ax cube plus what you will write, bx square plus cx plus d, where a cannot be 0 and a b c d will belongs to what? Real number. Okay, a b c d all four will belongs to what? A real number. And why a cannot be 0? So we can understand, if I am keeping a equal to 0, it will become a quadratic. See, this term will go, but we want this term because the degree should be what? 3. Now example, you can write it down yourself. Okay, but then also let me write one. P of x is equal to, for example, 3x cube plus 2x square minus 7x by 2, any random, because abcd can be any real number. Okay, minus 7x by 2 plus root 11, for example. Okay, if I'm comparing these with standard form, what is a is 3, b is positive 2, c is negative 7 over 2, and d is what? Root 11. Okay, and the degree means highest power is what? Here 3. Here also it's not mandatory that all 4 terms should be there. Okay, same story what I told for the quadratic polynomial, same story I will say here orally. Okay, because it is same thing. Okay, the for polynomial to be cubic, having 4 term is not mandatory, but degree 3 is mandatory. Okay, if I'm writing p of x is equal to ax cube, if I'm just writing p of x is equal to ax cube, that is also called what? Sorry, if I'm writing p of x is equal to just ax cube, that is also called what? Cubic polynomial. Okay, so I hope this is clear. One more type is there. Okay, based on the degree, it is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay, why it is biquadratic? Because the degree will be 4. Okay, 2 means what? A quadratic. And biquadratic means what? For the next fourth one, if I'm writing, what I will write here, biquadratic polynomial. Okay, the biquadratic polynomial means what? A polynomial whose degree is what? Degree is 4. General form, now you can write it down yourself. P of x is equal to what you will write, ax raised to 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a cannot be 0 and a b c d e belongs to real number. Okay, if 5 power is there, then what to do? If for 5 power there is no any special name, simply you will tell as a polynomial only. Okay, so these all are types are there based on what? Degree. I hope this is clear for everyone. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment section, so I will try to solve in the next video. Okay.